Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm Dave and welcome to Born Bearded. This channel is about beard care, but honestly, it's about more than just the beard. For a lot of us, taking a few minutes to care for our beard is the only time that we slow down, reset, and do something for ourselves, and that matters so much. Around here, I'm going to keep beard care simple with real routines, consistency, and a realistic approach to beard care. If you want beard advice that's going to help you feel more confident about being you, go ahead and subscribe and let's build this together. And remember, your mental health is a priority, your happiness is essential, and your self care is a necessity. I'm Dave, and I was born bearded.